Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Power BI Desktop and loading the dataset you want to clean. Once loaded, click Transform Data to jump straight into Power Query. You should then select the table and the specific column or combination of columns that define a duplicate in your context. Make sure your data types are correct and trimmed, otherwise duplicates may look different. Once those checks are done, you're ready to apply the Remove Duplicates command on the selected columns. Now you control which record survives. First, sort your table by the priority column so that the desired row appears first for each duplicate group. If order matters, add an index column to preserve that sequence before transformations. Then select the key columns and choose Remove Duplicates to keep the first occurrence. Alternatively, use Group By to aggregate and reconstruct a single row per key when you need specific aggregation logic. These steps let you deduplicate while keeping the preferred record. Finish by clicking Close and Apply so Power BI ingests the clean table into the model, then refresh visuals to verify the duplicate count dropped. If you still see duplicates, make sure values aren't different because of spaces, casing, or mismatched data types. Use trim, clean, and lowercase transformations before deduplication. One quick tip: if you need deterministic selection, perform a sort and add an index. Then remove duplicates to guarantee which row remains. That covers common fixes if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.